Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the HUD color settings inside the game or the mod panel. This gives immediate access to controls. Make a quick backup of the config file so you can revert if needed. Once done, enable custom HUD or developer mode when prompted, because some games lock color controls behind that option. From here, locate the color editor or color wheel to begin changing values. This is the first actionable step to change how elements appear on screen. Now you pick and tune the color using the wheel, RGB sliders, or hex input. Typing a hex like #00FFA is precise when matching themes. You should adjust brightness and saturation so the HUD remains readable against busy backgrounds, and tweak contrast to avoid washout. Once you set a candidate color, apply it to specific HUD elements and test in-game under different lighting. Make incremental changes and compare. This iterative process ensures you balance aesthetics with visibility. Finish by saving the settings and applying changes, and if the game requires it, restart to ensure the new color loads everywhere. If something goes wrong, restore the backup config file you made earlier to return to a known state quickly. If colors still fail to update, try launching in safe mode, disable conflicting mods, and update GPU drivers. This resolves most update or performance conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: check for HUD overrides in other mods that can.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.